Once you've installed the SiteMaker Chrome extensions, you can use these to quickly make citations for websites as you browse. For example, when you're on a website, you simply select the icon for your preferred referencing style. I'm going to use Harvard. Tap, and SiteMaker will automatically create a citation for the website that you are on. You'll notice below that you have the ability to edit your citation if there are pieces of missing information or errors. And also it will create some in-text reference examples which you can cut and paste into your work. I can see here that I'm going to edit the title of this page. I'm just going to go to the end and I'm going to delete some information that is unnecessary there. When I go back up, you can see it's automatically been edited. I can cut and paste this into my work, but I can also select this Save button if I would like to save it into a SiteMaker folder.